Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix spatial wallpaper not working on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have a wallpaper and that wallpaper has a special effect on your iPhone iOS 26, but as you apply that wallpaper, that special effect not worked on iPhone iOS 26. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply follow these steps so that you can simply solve that problem. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check for your battery section. And here you have to simply make sure that you have turned off the low power mode, which means you have disabled the low power mode, because if you turn on this feature on, then it will limit all the features, including a special effect of the wallpaper. So here you can simply check for that. Moreover, what you have to do, if you have simply applied the wallpaper, then you have to simply customize that wallpaper. And here you have to simply check whether that wallpaper has that special effect in their option or not. So if it is showing a special wallpaper here option, special effect, all that option is on or not. So if it is available, then which means that wallpaper supports a special effect on. If it is not showing, which means it doesn't support. But if it's showing, then there may be chances that that special effect option is turned off. So you have to simply make sure that you have turned on this feature. And then the next thing you have to do is you have to simply force restart your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the volume button, and after that you have to press and hold volume down button so that you can simply restart your device, force restart your device. And after restarting, you have to simply check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to accessibility. And here you have to simply check for reduce motion option, and you have to simply make sure that you have turned off this feature, which means if you are showing any kind of option of like related to reduce motion, then you have to simply turn off that option so that your special effect motion can work. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply you have to check for the update, whether you have updated to the iOS 26 or not. So in this way, you can simply solve the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.